Hey guys, it's Beth. Today I'll be using one of these flower pinwheels, this burlap canvas, and sunflower fabric from Dollar Tree. I started by removing all of the petals from the pinwheel with some wire cutters, painting them with mineral chalk paint by Waverly, and I just did one coat on the front. I also did 2 coats on the back, but you don't really need to because you won't see them. And then I opened up my sunflower fabric. Again, this was from Dollar Tree, and I took each one of my little petals and traced it out with a pen and cut those pieces out. And then I took Tacky glue, which I get from Dollar Tree, and put some of it on the front of the petal and brushed it, covering the entire thing. It is really thick. You can use Mod Podge, but it would be really wet and it would take a long time to dry. So I ended up using the Tacky glue and just placed down my fabric right on top of there and smooth it out. And I did that to all of them. After I had them all covered, I just went around and trimmed up the excess fabric. And then I took Nautical rope, which is also from Dollar Tree. I measured it around one of the petals to make sure it was long enough. And then I opened it up. So I'm actually going to use, there's 4 strands wrapped together. So I just used 1 strand for each petal. I tied it in a knot just to keep it together, and then hot glued it around the edge of each petal. And I just made sure to twist it and then hot glue and place it down. Next, I take another piece of nautical rope and I put some hot glue on the end, just so it's easier to work with when I'm trying to use this first piece. I fold a piece of it down and hot glue it right onto itself. And then just put more hot glue around the edge and just keep wrapping it around until I have the size that I want. Once I have it large enough, I just hot glue the end of it to the back, cut off the excess, and then I take each of my petals and trim up the ends of them, just getting off the excess rope that I had on there. And then I take my petals and place them on the burlap canvas, which is a new item at Dollar Tree. And then I place my little rope circle in the center. I'm just moving them around, getting them how I want them. And then once I have them set, I put some hot glue around on each of the petals and place down my circle. Once I have that glued down, I go around and just put a little bit of glue on each petal underneath the ones that they're overlapping to glue them all down. And then I take the whole thing and lift it up and put some hot glue on the back. And since it's a burlap canvas, it was going through the back, so I just added a cutout circle, which I'll probably go back and paint just because I don't like it unfinished. But that is it. Super cute and easy. Thank you guys so much for watching.